why does everyone want to work oversight for a sponsor?
It's an interesting dichotomy of like how do you get to the space that you want?
Yeah.
And I think some people run the CRO game for a really long time. They're in that market space. They love being at a CRO. They love the pivots and the shifts that you have to do all day. For some people, it really works. Other people they want to be more focused. They want to say, oh, this is the indication that I really love. And so I want to find a sponsor that I can really dive into and sit in that space for the rest of my career, the rest of time. Also, the reality is sometimes at the sponsor side, you're definitely in a space where you are overseeing different things. You're overseeing a lot more clinical spaces. You're overseeing a lot more vendors. You're doing a thing in a way that is going to have you kind of really focusing and harnessing all of your energy towards getting that drug to market in a different way than you are at the CRO, right? At the CRO, you're developing process plans. You're working through, but not just for one sponsor, potentially. It might be for a couple or a couple of different studies. And so it's a different mindset in terms of kind of where you are. Sponsor side can also be one that has a few more benefits. It can have things, perks that a CRO might not have in terms, maybe they have stock options, maybe they have the ability for you to have a bit more stock in the company and that sort of thing. So people can be really enticed by that. They might have different benefits and even healthcare benefits and all of those things. So I think people's mindset is typically whenever you've been at a CRO for a long time, they're like, I want to go to the sponsor side and start overseeing these CROs. You gain a ton of knowledge at a CRO, and it can be nice to then transition that to become a subject matter expert at a sponsor. And vice versa. Sometimes people are at a sponsor and they're like, oh, I want more general industry experience. And so I want to gain that by kind of having these different opportunities that I wouldn't necessarily have on the sponsor.